Ako ay si Marilou Cayanan at ako ay masayang nagtatrabaho sa Kroger's. So, I was a banker. I work in the bank for 35 years with the largest bank in the Philippines right now. I got my immigrant visa 2010, but we just decided to stay here with my children for good in August of 2014. In 2016 of February, I decided uh, to lodge in my application with Kroger's. I like dealing with people, you know. So I like to be friendly to everybody. Most of the customers, I know them by name. It's just like a family, friend and a family. With the Filipinos, we really have a neat family ties. I would like to pass it on to my grandchildren. I just pray and hope that they will carry that tradition. I am so proud to be a Kroger associate, you know, because you can feel the love. Even when they say hi to you, how are you? Oh, what's wrong with you? Are you okay? Like a family. If you love your work and you have that passion for excellence, you will not go wrong.